Well, Mr. Khayre approached me because he knew that I was a lawyer who had worked to battle the monitoring group in the past, and that there was no one better to go after the monitoring group and defend him than me, Mr. Khayre felt. And I was flattered to receive that phone call. And I, of course, did my own investigation, my own diligence, and quickly learned the true story, and was very, very comfortable and confident in working with Mr. Khayre. That he, again, he's unfortunately on a long list of people unfairly targeted by this monitoring group. Even myself and my law firm several years ago were targeted by the prior monitoring group led by this person named Chopra, who was the head of the monitoring group at the time, who was retaliating against us for a very critical piece of work we did against the monitoring group in 2013, when we took apart piece by piece a report that they issued in 2013 criticizing the central bank at the time of being a slush fund. Those allegations were completely false. We exposed the frailties of that investigation and the incompetence of the monitoring group. Then Mr. Chopra and his group retaliated against us. So we've already fought those battles in the past, and we were happy to fight again because we feel very strongly